Because you can see why I'm so hard on them. Just look at those assignments. Yeah, Harris will make you see me over and over again. All right, so here's what we do till you get it right. So who would like to read the exit slip for 10 points before we move to the we do? He raised his hand. He got you, Violet. Exit slip is right here on the screen.
Classroom term of the day is omega. Greek letter. Word of the day is hiatus. You want me to read the other part too?
Hiatus. Yes, read. Students will be up to.
Welcome to the intro to engineering and robotics. The agenda today is objective. Students will be able to utilize the tangential speed of rotating objects mathematically calculated for a tangential speed, radius, or angular speed.
Yep, you got it. 10 more points. Add your points up. You're doing good, Brown. Again, y'all got to start turning that work in as PDFs.
Oh,
You turn it in as a shared link, 0. All right, so moving on. Pay attention. This will be the 3rd time we did this problem, so it should not be hard by now. Turn to page, hold on, let me change. So here's this one. This is 15 points if somebody wants to read it. What are we talking about over here? What are we talking about? What did I just say? Okay, go ahead.
ACD is played by shifting a laser beam onto a disc and converting a pattern of the reflected light into a pattern of sound waves. For proper operation, the line is maintained the speed of the disc where the laser beam shines on it. It must be maintained at a constant volume of 7.83 meters per second. As the CD is the laser beam scans the disc and its spiral tracking getting near the center and proceeding outward of the rim. What angular speed must exist as the laser beam shines on the disc? A is 6.67 centimeters and B 8.56 centimeters from the axis of rotation in space.
So guess what you need for today to get started? See a little box there? Green with an orange stripe. You need everything in that box. Type it now. I'm going to be writing some stuff up on the board for you. Some students are not putting that there. You lose points for that. This is known as a tangential speed, or how to calculate such, of a rotating object. Again, if you wrote the stuff down in the box, you'll have this first part pretty much done, right? I guess you're done with everything. All right. We did do this something like this yesterday, right? Yeah, I know. Anywho.
I'm sorry, Mr. Tyler, what page of the book are we supposed to be on?
Who can tell me for 5 points? Who's paying attention?
272.
271.
Oh. No, it don't.
272 is a problem. But if you all were listening to me, I said go to 271, and that's your first part of your notes. So y'all get mad at me and suck your teeth, but you're not listening. 2 ears, 1 mouth. Use them correctly. All right, let's keep going.
It's funny how I just asked to be what page and did nobody open the book. Y'all be all right.
Well, you see what's happening, though.
Y'all be all right.
Mouths moving faster than them hands, and the ears are not keeping up. All right, R times omega. I'm going to burn through this problem, y'all, because y'all don't have a lot of time left. We know this is, you can tell me steps if you want to. Rads per second. That's how it's measured today. And this letter is not W. Keep saying that. It's called omega. Then this one is measured in what? Meters. This one is measured in meters per second. So that's how you pick the problem part. All right, let's go through it. Known and unknown values. What do we know? Unknown. What is the question asking us? So let's pick out some values. And again, if you see something you know, you call it out, you get 5 points. If you don't, I'm just going to run through it. So first thing I see is VT, tangential velocity, is 7.83 meters per second. There's two parts to this problem. They give you two radiuses. The next one is going to be part A. They give you an R value or radius value, little r, of what? What was this here? It is 6.67 centimeters. We cannot use centimeters, so we have to do a conversion. So let's reconvert. So we take 6.67 times 10 to the negative 2 meters. Please put all your dimensions. If you don't, it's sloppy work, you lose points. All right, next, part B. They give us another radius. And that was 8.56 centimeters. We can't use center. We need some more tape. Can you see if Bob can help you out with this, another roll? Because I don't see none in my drawer. Or you can check my closet to see if there's extra. I would go up front and see if Bob can just give you one instead of going to that closet of mine. So convert. R is equal to 8.56 times 10 raised to the negative 2 meters. Unknown. What's the question asking us, right? Well, we know we got to find omega. In part B. You're also looking for radians or rads per second. All right, we'll box it off and finish this problem off. What happened now? I got you, so I'm about to speedball. Part A. And I will take a picture of this so you can finish it up on your own. It's really no different from yesterday's problem, just the numbers change. So it's going to be D sub t is equal to R times omega. And we're going to do right again. Right? I'm going to divide by R. You have to show this step. Some of y'all are not. Okay? And now plug in your numbers. All right, now I'm going to do part A. I'm going to need you to do part B and finish up because I got to get ready for y'all to get out the classroom. All right, so again, part A, all you do is plug in the numbers. So that's what? Use your part A values. And then you can't use this one, you gotta use that one. All right, so what is that going to be? Let's calculate it.
So do me a favor, I'm stopping this class. I don't care who listens to music, cut it off.
Yeah, I was about to say, y'all irritate me with that music, and that's the quickest way to get a noise infraction. So turn it off, because if I have to stop and walk around, you're not going to like me. Save that garbage for outside the classroom, please.
So what's the quiz? What's that?
The quiz, what are you talking about?
It says weekly quiz. It says number 0 for the
Quiz 0, that's the first quiz they took Friday.
Friday.
Yeah, and a lot of them didn't do it.
They
So,
didn't do it. Can
they didn't. They just did. They just said
can
that.
they redo it?
They,
or no?
yeah, it's important. Here's an example of how it should have been done.
Okay. And there's no answers on there, boy.
There the answers in there or no? I know it is. 10 to the negative 2?
Oh, yeah.
All right, we got 8 minutes left, so we do the rest of part A. And like I said, you still got to do part B. You're just redoing what I did with part B values. Dennis, you can also see her stuff in SB. Just go to that class and you click on her paper. That was Maya's.
No, this is yours.
Huh?
You're talking about, wait, what are you talking about?
What's wrong?
Right, because I missed it. What were
You
you
and
saying? Yeah. That's why I was asking.
So if you go to
Okay, that's the quiz.
Oh, this is the quiz right here.
She must have said that's on the 25th. That's what I'm trying to say. It's not that. She must be. All right, but anyway, I'll show you this later. She has 100% here. She might put it in the wrong slot. I think that's what she did.
Oh, they got
You put it in the 28th. Yeah, that's what you did. So the 25th, she's supposed to do the 25th. That's right. Ma, you put it in the wrong place, so I'll fix it. So now you can see what she's supposed to do. When you think she's 100, you see, you look, now you come out, you look at the quizzes, you can see Marvin and Katie, or anybody else did not do it. So you can this. Yeah, I mean, you know why. I'm not making nobody.
No, I don't think you are. I think that is like.
No. I'm gonna get it done. Sounds good. All right. What did you need? All right. So.
I just want to make sure.
All right. Let me finish this problem off, and we're gonna get rock and rolling because y'all got 7 minutes left. All right. So in the discussion, the calculation is. Yeah. I gotta get my talkers to do some work. Yo, I am still recording. Y'all tripping. Yeah, and I could have sworn none of y'all wanted to get in trouble because.
That was me.
Okay.
I was just trying to get their attention.
Okay. So that's how you type it in, the calculator. And I get 117.39.
No, don't tell me don't.
You ain't getting it.
You're right. There's nothing in the You got to December. You're right.
You know all that. You know all that adds up.
You already tried to nag you in the last one. Why you trying to nag me again?
You made us pass that one. You made us pass that one.
I have 100 in bio. You want me to see right now?
My grades is decent. It's only this class that I
See, I'm not on that type of time.
like I said, whoop the whoops.
What's wrong, Beth? We ran out of time, so we're going to stay an hour after this class today, and we're just going to work on some of the basic robotics. Okay? So you can just chill out. It's almost time to go. You can finish this up after school. Huh? All 3 of them? Okay. There was a 4th one. I think it's that one on record you got to fix too. But I got to make a copy for it. So do that after school. Okay, this is the next one. I went on ahead and did part B for y'all, by the way. And I'll post a picture in ESB. Okay? All right, that's it. That's all. Y'all got approximately 3 more minutes, and we got to go.